Yeah, you can put it. If you don't know, my name is Elena Ricci, and today we're gonna make boba. And we have my little sister as my assistant, as helping me. Okay, so let's get started. So the ingredients are water, raw boba. I think that's what you call it, right?
Yeah.
And brown sugar. Okay, first we're gonna need to put some water. Yeah, brown sugar. Don't eat it. No, we just need that much. Okay, now you just need to heat it. Okay. Now, okay, we have to wait until it's boiling. So you gotta wait. So the water has been boiled, as you can see, the smoke. If you can't see it, well, it's already been boiled. We're gonna put the boba.
Yeah.
Yay! We put all the boba. So now we have to mix it. It's so sticky. It's like sticking together. Okay, now we're gonna close the lid.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now we're gonna sieve it. So there's no liquid for the boba. After sieving the boba, so make sure there's no liquid, we're gonna put brown sugar in this pan and heat it up and put the boba in it for the brown sugar milk tea. Okay, now we're gonna put all of them. Okay, now we're gonna take it and put it on. Okay, now we're gonna ask someone to put the boba carefully so we don't burn our hands. See you! Okay, so we're gonna cook this, like half of the boba, to make the brown sugar milk tea. So it can be. Yeah, you can put it. Okay, so the brown sugar boba is done. Now we're gonna make the brown sugar milk. Okay, we're gonna add the boba first. Okay, I'm gonna add the ice. Just put it around. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the ice. Kaylin, would you like to give us the ice? Okay, ice. Ice. Okay, now we're gonna add the
Milk.
yay. Okay. Ugh. Do you wanna add it or did you add it? Okay. Wow. I think that's gonna be it. That looks nice. Actually, it's gonna be fine. Okay. So the brown sugar milk is done. Now we're gonna move on to the milk tea. Okay, so for the milk tea, we will need the boba that we haven't used the brown sugar on. We need ice. What is this, Keelan?
Sugar.
Creamer. And a packet of tea leaves. Some hot water and this jug, I guess. That's how you say it. Okay, let's get into it. Okay. Excuse me, Kayla. It's hot. Okay. Okay. Next, we will be taking this, Kaylin. This.
Yeah.
And taking a packet of tea leaves and putting it down. Okay. After it's like this much of a color, we will put it aside. Put it back there. Okay, Kaylin, do you want to stir it? First, we put the creamer first.
Okay.
Do you want to put all of it?
Yeah.
Do you want to put it? Okay, now we stir. Go. 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 It looks... Okay, since she's doing that, I'm just going to put the boba. There's still some left. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Okay, we're gonna stop there. Okay, now we're gonna put the ice. Done, right? Done, Kaylin? Big ice. Okay, now we're gonna put this in here.
Okay. Who's gonna drink it?
Us. Okay, so this is not gonna be wasted. It's just gonna be for my other siblings. And this is the milk tea. Okay guys, so this is the final creation we have made today, right here. So this is the brown sugar milk, boba milk. And this is the milk tea boba, or boba milk tea. Okay, and all of the ingredients are from Sinputang. And thank you for my mom, my sweet loving mom, for helping us to make this lovely creation. Kian, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried this.
It's so good. Good? You want to try this one? Ready? So good, I can finish it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like down below and subscribe. See you, peace out.